Struggling with weak or restless legs after 60? These 3 bedtime vitamins can help rebuild strength, improve circulation, and support deep recovery while you sleep. Stay till the end, because the 3rd vitamin is the real key to waking up stronger every morning. Let's begin with the vitamin that most seniors hardly ever consider, despite its immense power: vitamin B12. While you might have heard of it, truly understanding how absolutely essential B12 is for strong, steady legs and crucial nighttime muscle repair can be a game changer. When your B12 levels start to dip, you'll notice your legs beginning to feel weak, not just from muscle loss, but because the vital communication lines between your brain and legs get interrupted. Think of B12 like an electrical wire, perfectly connecting your nerves to your muscles. If that connection weakens, it paves the way for fatigue, instability, and eventually, the very dangerous falls we all want to avoid. The challenging part is this: after the age of 60, your body truly struggles to absorb B12 from your food, and it's certainly not your fault. As we age, our stomachs naturally produce less hydrochloric acid, which is critical for releasing B12 from the proteins in what we eat. This means even if you're consistently consuming meat, fish, or eggs, your intestines might not be absorbing enough of this precious nutrient. According to the National Institutes of Health, a staggering 43% of people over 60 have low or borderline B12 levels, often without even realizing it. The symptoms appear gradually, subtly at first: a numb feeling in your feet, then tingling, stiffness, and eventually that unmistakable weakness when you try to stand up. This happens because B12 is absolutely essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective layer surrounding your nerves. When this protective layer weakens, your nerves simply can't transmit signals effectively, causing your brain's instructions to your legs to get lost. This is why older adults with low B12 often exhibit slow walking, unsteady steps, foot dragging, and those disruptive nighttime cramps, symptoms that can sometimes even mimic early Parkinson's disease or diabetic neuropathy. A significant 2017 study published in Neurology following over 25,000 seniors revealed that individuals with low B12 were 60% more likely to fall and nearly 3 times more prone to walking difficulties. However, the timing of your B12 intake is incredibly important. Your nervous system undergoes regeneration during sleep. This is when your body works diligently to repair nerve tissue, reset muscle coordination, and strengthen the connection between your brain and muscles. If B12 isn't available during this critical repair cycle, your nerves simply can't recover properly. This makes taking B12 before bed incredibly vital, as it supplies the right nutrients precisely when your body needs them most. Unlike stimulants like caffeine, B12 actually promotes calm brain activity and won't keep you awake. In fact, many older adults report experiencing deeper, more restorative sleep when taking it at night. It's also important to note that not all forms of B12 are created equal. The most effective type for older adults is methylcobalamin, known for its superior absorption, particularly beneficial if you have any digestive issues. The most efficient versions are sublingual tablets that dissolve effortlessly under the tongue, entering your bloodstream directly and completely bypassing your stomach. If you're relying solely on regular tablets or general multivitamins, you might still be missing out. How quickly can you expect to feel a difference? Within just 10 to 14 days, many seniors report noticeable improvements in muscle coordination, faster nerve responses, and stronger leg movements. Clinical studies have even documented incredible transformations. After 6 weeks of daily B12 supplementation, one elderly patient who couldn't walk unaided for more than 10 minutes regained full mobility. These aren't just miracle stories. They're the direct result of basic nutritional science at work. So, if your legs feel stiff, weak, or numb, if you notice nighttime twitching or feel unstable when walking, start by prioritizing the correction of your B12 levels. It's not just another supplement, it's your body sending you a clear signal. The longer your nerves go without it, the more challenging it becomes to restore your full strength and stability. Now, let's move to the second incredibly potent vitamin, one proven to reverse leg weakness in as little as 2 weeks when taken at bedtime, while truly promoting genuine muscle growth, vitamin D3. This might come as a surprise to many. Most people assume that vitamin D3, often called the sunshine vitamin, primarily benefits bones. Yet, especially around the age of 60, D3 transforms into one of your body's most powerful allies for both maintaining and actively rebuilding muscle, particularly in your legs. Crucially, if you skip taking it before sleep, you're missing out on your body's prime recovery window, making its nightly intake more important than ever. The truth is, many older adults simply don't realize they're deficient in vitamin D3. Over 70% actually are. The evidence is strikingly clear. Weak legs, noticeably slower recovery from daily activities, and a heightened risk of falls are directly and undeniably linked to low D3 levels. Let's really break down why this happens. Vitamin D3's influence extends far beyond mere sunlight and calcium absorption. It plays a direct, fundamental role in muscle protein synthesis, which is the very process your body employs to create new and restore existing muscle fibers. Around age 60, your body's innate ability to rebuild muscle after even minor daily activities naturally begins to decline. You might find yourself simply walking around the house and still waking up sore the next day. But when D3 levels are inadequate, this vital rebuilding process grinds to an even slower pace. This is precisely when sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, starts to make its unwelcome appearance. And it almost always targets your legs first. Your thighs, glutes, and calves begin to subtly shrink. Even before you visually notice it, you'll definitely feel it. Getting up becomes harder, climbing stairs demands much more effort, and standing for prolonged periods becomes increasingly tiring. Your physical world, little by little, begins to shrink. A groundbreaking 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that older adults with low D3 who supplemented before bed experienced a remarkable 34% drop in falls and an impressive 19% boost in leg strength within just 3 months. That's a monumental change. Why such a profound impact? Because D3 doesn't merely maintain bone density, it actively activates the muscle receptors responsible for generating strength and improving balance. And because these receptors are most active during deep sleep, precisely when growth hormone is released, bedtime truly is the optimal moment to take it. But there's even more to its power. D3 also plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation within your muscles. Do your calves burn uncomfortably at night? Or do your thighs ache deeply? Persistent microinflammation could be the silent culprit, and D3 is instrumental in helping to control it. According to a 2022 study in Frontiers in Aging, seniors who were deficient in D3 reported twice the amount of nighttime leg pain and significantly slower muscle recovery. Over a 6-week period, those who conscientiously took D3 before bed showed measurable improvements in their walking speed, overall balance, and a welcome reduction in pain. Here's where most older adults often miss the mark. They either completely skip D3 or they take it in the morning. However, when taken at night, it perfectly synchronizes with your body's natural repair rhythm. And that's exactly when the true, profound benefits begin to emerge. True muscle growth and repair don't happen in the gym or through your daily activities. They predominantly occur while you sleep. Without sufficient D3, that critical process simply cannot happen correctly. And no, sunlight alone isn't enough anymore. After the age of 60, your skin produces a whopping 75% less D3 from the same amount of sun exposure. This means even consistent daily outdoor walks might not be providing your body with the D3 it desperately needs. Supplementation, therefore, becomes absolutely essential. Most adults over 60 greatly benefit from 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 each night, though your specific blood level should always guide the precise amount. Always prioritize vitamin D3, never D2. For maximum absorption, take it with a small amount of healthy fat, like what you'd find in avocado or almond milk. And don't worry, D3 won't disrupt your sleep. In fact, some studies indicate it can actually improve sleep quality by calming your nervous system and significantly reducing those bothersome nighttime leg cramps. If your muscles feel constantly tight, your recovery is slow, or your walking pace is gradually diminishing, your body might simply be crying out for this critically important nutrient. Making this small change in your nightly habit could finally give your muscles exactly what they need to truly recover and thrive. Yet, the strongest vitamin of them all, the absolute champion for revitalizing your legs, is one most seniors have never even considered. This incredible nutrient doesn't just support strength, it actively helps rebuild collagen, reactivates forgotten muscle memory, and astonishingly reverses years of muscle decline even well into your 70s. This brings us to our top spot, vitamin K2. Almost no older adult discusses this vitamin, even though it might be the single most powerful one for swiftly restoring true leg strength and vitality. And no, we are not talking about the kind found in leafy greens. That's vitamin K1, primarily known for blood clotting. This, my friends, is vitamin K2, and its profound role is to help return what time and age have been silently stealing from your bones and muscles. Chances are your body is severely lacking K2, especially if you're over 60 and your legs frequently feel weak, sore, or unstable. Perhaps your knees make cracking sounds when you stand, or your calves feel like stretched out rubber bands halfway through your day. So, what exactly does K2 do that makes it so indispensable? Imagine it as your body's incredibly efficient calcium traffic controller. In simple, easy to understand terms, it precisely directs calcium away from problematic areas like your arteries, joints, and other soft tissues, and crucially sends it straight into your bones where it truly belongs and is desperately needed. When K2 is absent or insufficient, calcium goes astray. It can harden your blood vessels, leading to cardiovascular issues, build up painfully in your joints, causing stiffness and discomfort, and stiffen soft tissues throughout your body. This explains why many seniors with low K2 levels often experience both tight, aching legs and progressively brittle bones simultaneously. Their body's calcium is literally being misplaced, sent to all the wrong areas, and most people are completely unaware of this hidden issue. Furthermore, K2 plays a vital role in activating specific genes responsible for efficient muscle recovery and repair. In a remarkable 2021 study published in the esteemed journal Nutrients, older adults who took a daily dose of K2 showed truly astonishing results. Quadriceps strength soared by 21%, and standing balance significantly improved by 31% in just 8 weeks. This isn't just a fleeting supplement boost. It represents genuine muscle activation and functional improvement. Even better, those who strategically took it before bed experienced the most profound improvements, precisely because that's when your bones and muscles are working hardest to regenerate and repair themselves. K2 works in perfect synergy with vitamin D3. Think of them as an inseparable power couple. D3 helps calcium effectively enter your bloodstream, while K2 acts as the crucial guide, ensuring that calcium ultimately lands in your bones, strengthening them instead of accumulating dangerously in your arteries or joints. Without sufficient K2, D3 can actually have an unintended consequence. It might push calcium into those undesirable places. This fundamental interaction explains why some older adults who take D3 alone may still experience persistent stiffness or even worsening joint pain. In most of those cases, the missing vital piece of the puzzle is K2, but K2's benefits don't stop there. It also enhances how effectively your muscles utilize glucose for energy, providing them with the fuel they need, and actively helps form new bone tissue by activating a key protein known as osteocalcin. This is especially significant for older individuals dealing with slower circulation, insulin resistance, or prediabetes. In a robust clinical trial from Aging and Disease, seniors who supplemented with K2 demonstrated better blood sugar control and exhibited remarkably greater leg endurance during challenging walking tests. When taken at night, K2 even assisted in replenishing muscle glycogen while sleeping, which leads to stronger, more energized legs the very next day, free from typical fatigue or soreness. Here's the critical challenge. K2 is surprisingly rare in our modern diet. It's mainly found in specialty aged cheeses, certain pasture-raised meats, and fermented foods like natto. Unless you regularly consume these specific items, it's highly probable you're not getting enough. That's precisely why supplementing with the MK7 form, recognized as the most absorbable and long-lasting type of K2, is highly recommended, particularly before bed. MK7 remains active in your body for an extended period, providing consistent calcium regulation and unparalleled overnight muscle support. When you strategically take K2 before you go to sleep, it's akin to flicking a switch, turning on your body's most potent natural repair system. And if you're already taking vitamin D3, know that K2 is the indispensable key that truly unlocks its full and extraordinary benefits. So, if you've noticed your legs subtly weakening, if climbing stairs has become an increasingly daunting task, or if you're experiencing new knee and calf pain that simply didn't exist last year, K2 could very well be the missing link you've been searching for. If your muscles still haven't recovered their former vitality, your strength hasn't returned, and your legs feel like they're losing the inevitable battle against time, it might all ultimately come down to this one crucial, yet persistently overlooked vitamin. If this video has shed light on your struggles and offered you hope, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. Share this invaluable information with someone you genuinely care about, and subscribe for more real, actionable health solutions meticulously designed with seniors in mind. Your legs are what carry you resiliently through this wonderful journey of life. Let's make absolutely sure they stay incredibly strong and supportive for all the vibrant years that lie ahead. If you have any pressing questions or wish to share your own experiences and triumphs, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you sincerely for watching and embarking on this journey to stronger, more resilient legs.